Failure is not the end but a crucial chapter in the journey of personal and professional growth. It's a potent teacher, offering lessons that success alone might not provide. When we embrace failure as a natural part of life, we unlock a powerful opportunity for self-discovery and resilience. Each setback becomes a stepping stone toward greater achievements, pushing us to reassess our strategies, refine our goals, and persevere with newfound determination. One of the most profound lessons from failure is the ability to adapt and learn from mistakes. Failure forces us to confront our shortcomings, encouraging a deep introspection that reveals valuable insights. It prompts us to analyze what went wrong, understand the root causes, and devise innovative solutions. The resilience forged through these experiences not only prepares us for future challenges but also cultivates a mindset that views setbacks not as obstacles but as catalysts for personal and professional evolution. As we navigate the unpredictable journey of life, learning from failure becomes an indispensable skill, transforming setbacks into stepping stones and shaping us into more resilient, insightful, and ultimately successful individuals. Handling failure is not about avoiding it but rather about learning how to navigate through it. Embrace failure as a natural part of the journey, analyze the lessons it offers, and use it to fuel personal and professional growth. By changing your perspective, accepting responsibility, seeking support, and maintaining a growth mindset, you can turn setbacks into stepping stones toward success. Remember, it's not the failure that defines you, but how you respond to it that shapes your path forward. Facing failure alone can be daunting, but seeking support can make the process more manageable. Surround yourself with a supportive network of friends, family, mentors, or colleagues who can provide encouragement, guidance, and constructive feedback. Sharing your experiences with others can help alleviate the emotional burden of failure and provide valuable perspectives. Study the lives of successful individuals, and you'll likely find that many of them have faced significant failures on their paths to success. Learning about their struggles and how they overcame adversity can inspire and motivate you. Understanding that failure is a universal experience can normalize the setbacks you encounter on your journey.